Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, my name is called Type of Giselle and I do skincare, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, as you can already read and you can already see for my eyebrows, I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest eyebrow tutorial. It's sort of like an updated eyebrow tutorial from what I previously used to do. So I really hope you enjoy it. You're only going to need one product literally that I have here, and that's all you're going to need, guys, to do your eyebrows and achieve them from like a sparse eyebrow to more of a defined eyebrow. So I really hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for joining me. So guys, a few things have changed in terms of how I do my eyebrows. I've gone back to actually using this brow definer from Makeup Revolution. It's one that I used to use before. I don't know whether it's focusing for you guys, but it basically looks like that, and it is their brow definer, and it is in the shade dark brown. It basically has like two ends to it, so it's got where the actual brow definer is, and then it's got like a little brush as well. And I thought that that's really handy, because before the way I used to do it was I used to use pomade and like angled brush, and this is just easy because you can sort of apply your product onto your eyebrows and then use the brush literally on the other side to just brush and put everything in place. So I think that is super easy, because you don't want to be dealing with loads of things when you're doing your eyebrows. It's already hard enough doing them. So yeah, really like it, and check it out, guys. It's super soft, easy to apply onto the onto your eyebrows. So yeah, let's get started. So what I basically do is I just take my brow pencil, and all I just do is I just literally draw like a little line underneath my eyebrows, just like that. I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. So I just literally follow my eyebrow where naturally the hairs would fall under, just like that. And then that's sort of like my little guide on how and where I should start and end from. So that literally helps. And then all you do is just do the same thing above the eyebrow, just like that. Just like that. And then what I just do is I just lightly start to fill in the eyebrow. And what you want to do is just to make sure that you're not applying too much product at the front of your eyebrows, because they're going to end up looking very boxy and just too dark for your face. So I just like to really go lighter as I get closer to the front of the eyebrows. So just like that. And then what I do is I take the brush end, and all you just do is like brush that product in, just like that. And then just add a little bit of product to the front here, and then brush it again ever so slightly. what I like to do is just to fill in any sort of like little gaps that naturally are sparse, but I don't want to apply too much product, so I'm very particular with where I add it on, because I just want them to look as natural as possible. I'm just going to apply a bit more product on the corners of my eyebrow, just to add a little bit of thickness. So just like that, guys, that is literally how I fill in the brow. And then all I just do, this is optional, I don't do this every single time, but I apply a little bit of translucent powder to the eyebrow, and this just helps with setting it in place, especially on a day where it's like really hot and you just don't want your eyebrows to sort of move, you know, as it gets sweaty and sort of hot throughout the day. So I'll show you guys that, but if you don't want to do this step, then you can leave it out. So guys, this is the finished look of the eyebrows. You can just see a bit of difference in my face. I just feel like when you do your eyebrows, it just adds more definition to the face and it completes your makeup look. I just feel like it frames your face. I really am enjoying this routine because it's easy. You only have to use like 2 products. The powder, if you even want to set them with powder. I don't set them with powder every single time, but I've been enjoying incorporating that into my eyebrow routine, and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you struggle with doing your eyebrows and it's just like too difficult. I know it is one of those things that's a bit tricky, but once you get used to your eyebrow shapes and how your hairs are growing and also your face as well, you're able to find what technique works. But this is just a quick technique to literally do that is not overly complicated. So I really hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I will list the brow definer, the name of it and how much it costs, the link and all of that in the description box below, so do check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next one, and thank you so much for your support. Bye dolls.